Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-play isikhathi esiningi esiwa-criticize-ayo. U-Ox umthetho bafethu, and then sikhulume ngoSolomons. Lawa ma-player awu-2 ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, for the past few games adlale kahle kakhulu. I mean, uSolomons laphana ku-right back umake sure ukuthi uThabiso Munyane i-Kaizer Chiefs ayimkhumbule that match, and then umake sure ukuthi lesa sikhala lesi asikho exposed. And then ku-midfielder-ke u-Ox umake sure ukuthi uwina wonke ama-battles, futhi sekaya naphambili. So umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi a-protect i-defense, but guess what, siyambona aqala ama-counter attacks, siyambona asebenzisa i-speed ayaphambili, siyambona ukuthi umuntu ngempela u-hungry for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ofuna ngempela uku-contribute-a, but apha amanye ama-player. But-ke asingene, before singena kwamanye ama-player nje sikhulume ngama-qualities wabo abanawo nanokuthi bayisiza kanjani i-team. Well, masibheka isikhathi esiningi uSibongiseni Mthetho bafethu noSolomons akusiyo ama-player atrendayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, but-ke ama-player ayilwelayo ngempela i-team whenever they are given an opportunity to play. Obviously isizini-ke iphakathi kune-drama laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs yama-coaches, kune-drama ye-pressure, but-ke these two njengoba futhi-ke uSolomons akaqalanga nanesizini bafethu, was a third option laphana ku-right back, but guess what, sehlalisa noFrosler laphana ebhenchini because uFrosler uba easily exposed kula ma-game lawa amanye awadlalile, simbonile easily beaten, nanokuthi isikhala sakhe besiba exposed, but uSolomons ufikile wasivala lesikhala lesi overall. So umthethwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, I mean ilo aggression anayo, ugijima 90 minutes, in fact naku-extra time simbonile agijima ayaphansi ayaphezulu, awina amabhola, and-ke into e-improve-ayo-ke manje kuye bafethu it's getting better in terms of ukuphasa, ukuthi okay uyawaphasa lapha ama-opponents but akasawaphasi kakhulu, nanokuthi sekaqala ama-counter attacks. Khona there's a great run engiyibonile from yena, even beating other players laphana, a-create space for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kuyiwe phambili ngempela. Bekafuna ukulwa kakhulu, but-ke amanye ama-player, I don't think amanye ama-player ane-energy efana neyakaMthethwa or i-aggression yakhe or ukulwa overall, because masibheka amanye ama-player, ukuthi angifuni ukungena kumanye ama-player too much, but I'll make an example, few examples in fact, asivele singeneni uCele uku-contribute-ani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, yini into ayi-contribute-ayo, especially kuma-counter attacks la kumele abe fast in transition, akwazi lese ukushaya lawo maphasi lawo ama-assist agude. Yini into agude ngayo in terms of i-contribution overall laphana, sibone ukuthi okay, because umthetho senza umsebenzi kaCele, senza umsebenzi wama-midfielders, in fact wonke I-expected amanye ama-midfielders these guys are expected ukuthi ba-contribute, bawadlale kahle ama-roles wabo, but guess what, umthetho sewadlala wonke la ma-roles lawa, because umthetho siwumbona everywhere. Umbona defender, protect i-defense, umbona aqala ama-counter attacks, umbona sekuwuye obamba ibhola isikhathi esiningi. I think kuleya game leya against i-Stellenbosch nguye umuntu obamba ibhola kunabo bonke abantu egrawundini bafethu, but-ke I'll be corrected if angenzi iphutha laphana overall. I mean umdlali lona bafethu akabonisi ifiya kuma-50-50, uyaya kuma-contact, akasabi, uyawawina ama-1v1 isikhathi esiningi. I mean udlala isikhathi esiningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi impilo yakhe idependa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Obviously-ke mesayino laphana bekunama-expectations amaningi ukuthi maybe uzokwazi ukuvala isikhala sakaKatsande, and then abakhumbuze neNgomashe avale leyo role leyo, because iyi-role e-important for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean i-tradition ye-Kaizer Chiefs ithi leya role leya kumele bakwazi uku-excel, i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs bakwazi ngempela ukuyi-protect-a overall, and then umthetho uza kahle kakhulu kuleyo department leyo in terms of protect i-defense. At the same time-ke manje, because uyabona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ileka kuma-department amaningi, and then it takes matters to his own hand ukuthi aqale nama-counter attacks. Manje i-player ngempela mina ku-transition bafethu, obviously-ke bekungamelanga adlale ama-counter attacks or adlale kuma-transition or aqale izinto, but-ke manje ama-expectations laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs sewa-high, because amanye ama-players awenzi umsebenzi wayo in terms of like i-aggression overall laphana. Ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs for umthetho bekuzoba i-test of character, because ama-fans amaningi awamthembi. I mean kune-sense of ukuba i-uneasiness if ubamba ibhola laphana, especially kuma-dangerous position, ukuthi maybe bangaliluza, but guess what, I mean igame ye-Stellenbosch usibonisile ngempela ukuthi what it brings to igame ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Then asingeneni ku-Solomons bafethu, I mean u-underrated naye, akusiwo umdlali abambhekayo kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, but kuyi-product elibuya kuma-academies. Ukhule edlala ibhola, but siyazi ukuthi une-pace, uyakwazi uku-adapt-a kuma-different spaces, different environment. Ufike laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-new systems, obvious new teammates nama-expectations amakhulu. Senesikhathi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think bamthatha Moroka Swallows if angenzi iphutha. So umdlali ofike nama-expectations amakhulu, but-ke since then udropile ku-pecking order, waba le phansi because i-trust. But-ke masikhumbula kancane sibuyele emuva, amagemu wala season lawa abawa-important kakhulu. Just before kuphela isizini simbonile edlala bafethu, and e-contribute-a kakhulu laphana ku-right back. Uyaqala ama-counter attacks, isipidi sakhe sibalulekile. And then I don't know how many times he took players on abashiya laphana be-Stellenbosch, abonisa ngempela ukuthi uyafuna ukudlalela i-team, nanokuthi awinise i-team i-match ebeyingekho lula, ebeyinzima kakhulu laphana. Obviously-ke izinto azenzekanga because of i-anticipation, nanokuthi amanye ama-players awekho prepared to give everything for the team. So kunezinto ezimbalwa nje ezilekayo laphana kuma-teammate we-Kaizer Chiefs. But I'm just talking about, ngifuna la kule clip le bengikhuluma ngama-player ayi-2 bafethu. USolomons overall mawumbheka mncane ngomzimba, but i-personality yakhe inkulu, i-heart yakhe inkulu bafethu. You might not expect him to be one of the most hardworking players ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but guess what? He gives everything. Ugijima 90 minutes lo muntu lo, akakhathali, uyaphansi naphezulu, uyi-hard worker ngempela. Yinto edingekayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean laphana ku-right back siyazi ukuthi i-position kaThabiso Munyane, bangambeka futhi nalaphana ku-wing back, even naku-right back, because naku-right wing, but because of i-pace yakhe nanokuthi uyakwazi uku-adapt. Pace yakhe, I mean, explosive bafethu. I mean, he's one of the fastest players laphana ku-PSL overall. Noku-recover kwakhe laphana kuma-runs, i-composure at some point, akapheniki. Even when he's pressed, uyakwazi ukubitha ama-players laphana abashaya i-timing. I mean, he was heavily criticized nge-defensive positioning yakhe, but-ke u-improvile, I mean, after under uCoach Nabi nama-assistant coaches lawa khona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Ugeja i-penalty-ke in fact akaligejanga, ubanjiwe laphana. Yeah, I mean, you can play your best game, but-ke izinto ey'ncane yizo ezingakukhipha ngempela laphana egamini. Especially ama-fans online, they are loud, they want the team to do well, but-ke overall abadlalile abafana, udlalile kakhulu uSolomons. I mean, masibheka umthetho ama-qualities wakhe, sesibuyela kwi-position ne-power, udiscipline futhi. Uyakwazi uku-read-a igame kahle, nanokuthi-ke a-protect ama-players wakhe ne-team yakhe from i-danger before yenzeka. I mean, Kaizer Chiefs mayiluza ibhola, uye umuntu wokuqala umthetho woku-react-a bafethu, ukuthi akhathele ama-passes lawa from amanye ama-teams, a-break it down ama-attacks, and then a-make sure ukuthi ayi-protect i-back line. So ukudifenda kwakhe, I mean, ethimini e-Kaizer Chiefs, in fact maybe ku-PSL akekho umuntu onama-interception rate more than eyamthetho bafethu. Uya-dominate-a even nakuma-aerial balls laphana uya-dominate-a. Yiyo into ngempela emsetha apart, because in a way he's giving everything, and simbonile naku-post-match interview ukuthi bengajabulanga, uthole i-man of the match, but-ke guess what, akajabulanga. Why? Because bekafuna i-team ukuthi iwine, yenze kahle, ikwazi ukuthola ama-results overall. I mean, leadership skills, uyambona ukuthi uyi-leader noma ngekho vocal kakhulu laphana egrawundini. I mean, i-Kaizer Chiefs inokubonakala i-flat ingana-plan, but-ke umthetho njalo une-energy, energy yakhe ihlezi ikhona, i-physique yakhe i-right. I mean, against ama-teams afana nabo-Stellenbosch, even when they were dominated by other teams, but-ke yena uhlezi ayi-shield bafethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. A-make sure ukuthi ama-player afana nabo-Modi, ama-player afana nabo-Mduduzi Shabalala, nabo-Gaston Sirino, they don't track back that much, because yena uzowenza umsebenzi ukuthi alokhu njana abhalanse i-team kahle. I mean, obvious ama-critics ayohlezi akhona bafethu ukuthi kumele akwazi uku-improve igame, obvious ukuphasa ibhola laphana phambili. Sometimes udlala safe kakhulu ama-back pass, but-ke in all fairness, umsebenzi wakhe nje usimple ukustopa i-chaos laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then kumele kube nama-players-ke akwaziyo ukuthatha ibhola adlale kangcono. Umsebenzi wabocele, but-ke uma uthatha ukubheka ocele nabo bashaya ama-short passes isikhathi esiningi, hhayi ama-dangerous passes. Akekho fleshi, yeah, akusiwo umuntu ozoba kuma-headlines, but uyi-fighter ngempela. I mean, every team ingajabula ngempela ukuba nomuntu ofana noMthethwa laphana, i-warrior langempela bafowethu. So yeah, kuzoba nzima because i-work rate ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ibe khona, i-discipline kumele ibe khona, i-value ye-team overall. UMthethwa yena uyi-anchor laphana esiswini bafowethu, then uSolomon masimbheka yena umuntu ogijimayo ngempela. Uya-protect-a, and then lo munye u-offensive isikhathi esiningi. So without uMthethwa, i-midfield ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu ayina-structure at all, ayinaso i-structure, ayina-base, ayinayo i-core, ayinayo i-protector, umuntu ozokwazi ukubalwela laphana. So ngibafisela inhlanhla uMthethwa ukuthi izinto zabo zibahambele kahle, baqhubeke badlale kahle noma kuthiwa i-team ayenzi kahle, but individual performances from uMthethwa ngeke a-struggle noma ukuhamba ukuthola i-team noma kuthiwa uyahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But okwamanje bafethu ngicela ukuyibamba la. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like-a ne-subscribe.